Hey guys, Steve here. In today's video, what I want to do is I want to give you an update from yesterday's video about the Traffic Blaster Pro, right? As you know, Traffic Blaster Pro is a platform that allows you to get, that you can use, it's a resource, right? That allows you to get 100% verified business opportunity seekers to your offer, right? And I'll say it again, how this works is when you join this platform, right, you verify your email by signing up, right, and joining the platform, right? Number two, you are a business seeker. You are a business opportunity seeker because one, you joined the platform in the first place looking for a way to do what? Make money online or promote your current business. You are an entrepreneur, right? So you're a business seeker. Whether you want to admit it or not, you are a hot buyer. You are a business opportunity seeker, right? And then, like I said yesterday, 3, is this a no-brainer? It's only for $1. Most people have $1, most people spend more money on highly targeted traffic than $1, right? For a 7-day trial. That's, like I said yesterday, that's like 14 cents. 14 cents a day or something like that, right? So there's no excuse of why you don't even want to try it out other than you don't believe it, and that's all in your mind. But anyway, here's an idea. So I'm going to show you the update, just updates what they did, because they did get a Facebook group, and I want to show you that. But also, here's an idea. We all know that newbies into the online space, newbies into affiliate marketing, they never want to spend money on promoting their offer, advertising their business. They always run into the things of, bot traffic, this doesn't work, this and that, right? But check this out. You as a sponsor, or you as a mentor, right? Or you as a downline builder, you can offer this platform to your downline, right? It's only $1. They could try it for 7 days. And if they like it, and if they start getting opt-ins and signups, right, guess what? They'll be rolled into the monthly subscription for $9.90, which is still, gas is about to be $5 a gallon. That's basically 2 gallons of gas that we are using to promote our business for a month, right? You can't beat that. And it builds your residual recurring monthly income, right? Which is awesome, right? Yeah, $4, 50% commissions of the $4, but just imagine if you get 100 people, that's $465, right? So you have to think of it in the right terms. But like I said, you can use this tool and resource to give to your downline. So for all of those who are promoting like List Infinity, guess what? You can give this to your downline to help them affordably promote their opportunity. Or multiple income funnel. You can use this to give them to affordably, right, promote their business to business opportunity seekers. Easy one up. Power lead system. Text bot AI. You name it. You can use this platform to promote any business opportunity. Why? Because it's targeting business opportunity seekers, which everybody wants. But anyway, that's my 2 cents on how you can use this platform strategically, right, to help your downline and still make your recurring commissions and allow them to easily make recurring commissions as well. Okay, there it is. Anyway, let's get on to the update that I wanted to show you about how much I've made so far I'm stuttering, and how you can make money using this platform, and also the Facebook group that they just created yesterday or today. So let's jump right in. This is the Traffic Blaster Pro. It is a way that you can get 100% done for you traffic service, 100% highly targeted business seeker leads to your online business, right? And you can try it for $1 for 7 days. Sign up. There'll be a link in the description box below. Or you can try it for 6 months by paying a one-time purchase price of $34.90, which is sweet. You can't beat it. And like I said, once you sign up, you qualify to start earning 50% commissions. And I'll show you a little bit more about that. You get some excellent bonuses that I said before, and I'll say it again, that whenever you get bonuses for an opportunity, don't forget you can use those bonuses to create content for your social media posts, for your YouTube channel. Get something called Speechello, right? And you get some of these products and you just copy a paragraph or two, make a video, put it in Speechello, automate it, upload it to your YouTube channel. Voila, now you have some content, right? There's all kinds of different ideas that you can use in order to really promote yourself online. And I'm getting off on a tangent here. But anyway, you get all of this value for $10, right? It's like the Aladdin. All of this power, all of this information is little bitty price of $10. You know, you cannot beat it. Like I said, you can get started today for a $1 trial for 7 days. Now, what I want to show you is there was something I seen in the back office the other day that I wanted to highlight. Right. So if you go, they restructure some things back here, but I want you to see this. 15 sales, you can get 55%. And this is if you are promoting this. Now, this is an affiliate opportunity, Traffic Blaster Pro. So if you make 15 sales, you get an increase in front-end commissions, right? You get a 15. If you get 15 sales, it's 55. 25 sales, you get 60. 35 sales, you get 65. 50 sales, you get 70%. And 75 sales, you can get 75% commissions. Now listen, check this out. If you get 75 sales times a 50%, let's say 50% commission, which is $465, that's a recurring commission of $348. And that's only if you do 50% commissions. But if you start doing 75% commissions, of course, that's going to raise up. But anyway, I just wanted to show you how real these numbers are and how possible it is, because I think I have 25 sales already. So I'm already qualified to do 60% commissions, but this is a product that sells itself. Like I said, offer it to your downline. Offer it to people who are, look, anybody in an online affiliate marketing space, we're always looking for ways to get leads, ways to get eyeballs, and particularly ways to get highly targeted business seeker leads to our offers, right? So this is like a no-brainer, right? This is a complete no-brainer. You can use this with any opportunity that you have. Now, there's something I want to show you in the back office real quick. Of course, you can buy solo ad traffic here because you'll get it done for you funnel to advertise Traffic Blaster Pro as a business, independently of what you're going to be using it for. So you can use it to promote your business, like I said, and you can also use it as a business, right, and earn residual commissions. So there's something in the back office that I want to show you. Here, is it here? Yeah, here. So this is in the back office. So this also generates clicks for us, right? See what other members are promoting. You get into the back office and you can click this, right? And there's different offers here. But that's all I wanted to show you here. So let's jump over to my stats for today. I want to show you, here are my stats, and I got tracking. So it shows you where, let me refresh because we have some non-believers out here. Today is 3/4. It's early in the morning. But what I want to show you is I got, I do promotion on YouTube, right? So I make YouTube videos like you're watching this video now. So on YouTube, look at the commissions that I'm getting off of YouTube by just making a video about something that people want, right? They need leads, they want traffic. So anyway, YouTube 11, and this is all on 3/3, right? So just look at the dates here. I got, commissions here, commissions here, commissions here, commissions here. And these are all the commissions. Look at, see? All of these came from YouTube, which is sweet, right? But it doesn't stop there. On 3/3, this is, right? Facebook commissions, right? Facebook commissions, right? And these are just from posts, right? This is from YouTube. This is from Facebook. And that goes on to the second. This butts up against yesterday's video. So let's stop here. So these are the commissions that I made today, 3/3, right? Look at that. That's not too bad. So all in all, I have, let's count them real quick just so you can see. All in all, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 sales off of the last, since the 28th when I started promoting it. So if that's not real to you, that you can do this, right? This is a product that people need. This is a resource that anybody who's in the affiliate marketing business or online space, they need this, right? And if you're interested in trying it for $1 and then giving it to your downline, listen, if you're in List Lion, dude, come on. You can plug in your List Lion links into this, promote it, and then when you get signups, you can give this product to your new signup. So not only are you going to get them into your business for List Lion, but you also give them a traffic resource that's very affordable that you can also earn commission from, right? So you get commissions two ways, and they're very affordable commissions, right? So just think about how you can maximize your profits and help your downline be successful, right? So that's sweet. So that's the update that I wanted to show you as far as the commissions that I made. And last but not least, I want to take you into the Facebook group and show you a little bit about, what is going on here. Let me see. They created a new Facebook group today, and it's called Traffic Blaster Pro. And right now there's 19 members, right? Here's my mug, right? Just show you proof I'm in here. My boy Al. Big Al, what up? Right? Here's Stephen Riley. What's up, Stephen? Ed Hudson, what's up? Gabe and Sean, these are the creators of the platform. And here's Greg. What's up, Greg? Shout outs to you too, brother. It goes on and on. There's a couple other people, and I invited a few people that partnered with me in this opportunity, right? So as you can see, this group is for your questions, your answers, and your acknowledgments, social proofs, right? Team support. Oh, I didn't post social proofs in here, which I need to do. Tips, tricks, and other announcements, right? So as you can see, this is just getting started. Everybody's saying welcome. Welcome into the group. There goes more Robert Downey Jr. You got Sean. He says that a total of 430 clicks out. Here's Gabe. He said this is a huge traffic blaster. This is huge traffic blaster. For $9.90, you will only get 20 clicks for solo ad vendors. So just think about the price comparison here, right? Where, right? And here's a shout out to me. I got a couple sales there, but we don't need to talk about that. We got welcome Al, Big Al, and again, like I said, this group just started on March 2nd. So this is brand new group. You'll get access to this group when you purchase and join, Traffic Blaster Pro. So this is where you can bring your questions to. Now, there was a guy, Richard, I believe, yesterday who messaged me on Facebook. He said, you said that I would help you. Let me find that post real quick, because I want to make sure I address this, because he did ask me to help, right? And I said I would. So I just want to, where's that video as? Right here, right? So let me pause this. Let me show you. He did ask me, and I replied to him, but I haven't heard from him. Right here, Richard Kennedy. Hey, Richard. Shout out to you. Let me pause this. Shout out to you. He said, how can I reach you for help, S.Dean, as you mentioned in the video? So when I replied 13 hours ago, I said, hey, Richard, of course you can connect with me here. I gave him my Facebook link so he can reach out to me and connect with me. Why? Why my Facebook? So he can connect with me on Facebook. Then I can invite him to the private Facebook group for Traffic Blaster Pro. So that's why I did that. And I also said I'll be glad to help. Once we connect, I can also get you access to the private Facebook group. So I did reach out to you, Richard. So hit me back up, right? So anyway, that's all I wanted to do. I wanted to just to show you the recent update and how now there's a private Facebook group, right? With only 19 members, right? These are the people who recently joined. Hey, if you got any questions, you can always connect in this group. If you got any questions for me, drop them in the comment box below. The link for the Traffic Blaster Pro, which is the most affordable way to get highly targeted, 100% verified business opportunity seeker leads to your offer. There'll be a link for that in the description box below. Now, as always, thanks for hanging out. I'm out. Oh, like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.